How to log into Regions Bank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can log into your Regions Bank online banking account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our Regions Bank online banking account, first of all, what you have to do is just go to regions.com. Now you don't have to type in /personal banking. You can just go to www.regions.com and it will automatically redirect you to this URL. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you come to the Regions Bank official login page, on the right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see a section that says online banking login. So what you need to do is just enter your online banking username, and then if you want to remember your username so that you don't want to enter it next time when you log in, you can just change this and you can just choose the option called login. It will ask you to enter your password and then you will be successfully logged into your Regions Bank online banking account. Other than that, if you forgot your username and password or other credentials, you can tap on either of these options. Or if you have not yet activated your online banking, you could go to the option that says enroll in online banking. And once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and successfully log into your Regions Bank online banking. That's all it takes to log into your Regions Bank online banking account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.